Welcome back to the channel again. Today we're going to reset the oil life on the 2019 Ford F-150. I'm going to come over here, turn it on, let everything come up, go through its stuff, use your controllers over here. You want to scroll over using your buttons, scroll over to settings, and you want to go all the way down to your advanced settings down at the very bottom. Hit your OK, hit OK, go underneath vehicle. There's your oil life reset. You know, still hitting OK. We're at 50%. Hold the OK to reset. Then we're gonna hold it, and it's reset. And then just back out of it to whatever settings you prefer. And this was on digital speedometer, so that's where we're gonna put it back. That's all that's to it. So if this video helped you at all, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell icon for new content when I post it. Hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching.